You are closer to 2026 than you think. And if you keep living like this, it will look exactly like this year. Same habits, same excuses, same weak version of you. If nothing changes, nothing changes. You say you want to level up. You say you want discipline. You say this year will be different. But your actions tell a different story. You wake up and reach for your phone. You scroll, you consume, you compare. Hours disappear, energy disappears, and by the end of the day, you tell yourself you'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow has become your favorite lie. You are not stuck because life is unfair. You are stuck because comfort feels safer than growth, because distraction is easier than focus, because entertainment demands nothing from you. Look at your habits. They are building your future right now. Every late night, every skipped workout, every broken promise to yourself. You are either training discipline or training weakness. And here is the truth most people avoid. No one is coming to fix you. No one is coming to push you. No one cares enough to save your potential. That responsibility is yours. If you want 2026 to be different, you need rules, non-negotiable rules. Rule 1, wake up with purpose, no phone for the first hour. Rule 2, train your body daily. Strength builds discipline. Rule 3, do the hardest task first. Kill procrastination early. Rule 4, track your time. If you don't control it, it controls you. Rule 5, cut weak habits. Replace them immediately. Rule 6, learn something every day. Grow your mind. Rule 7, keep promises to yourself, even small ones. Rule 8, embrace discomfort. Seek it. Rule 9, protect your focus like your life depends on it. Rule 10, repeat, even when you don't feel motivated. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is identity. You don't become unrecognizable in one big moment. You become unrecognizable through small daily wins. One early morning, one completed workout, one focused hour, one decision to say no, and then you repeat it again tomorrow. After 30 days, you feel stronger. After 90 days, people notice. After a year, they barely recognize you. Not because you got lucky, but because you changed who you are. You stopped negotiating with weakness. You stopped choosing comfort. You stopped waiting for the right time. You became the kind of man who does what he says, even when it's hard, especially when it's hard. 2026 is not going to magically transform you. Time will pass anyway. The question is simple. Will you enter 2026 with regret or with results? Close this video and choose one rule. Start today, not next week, not tomorrow, today. Because the version of you that wins is built in silence, in discipline, in repetition. And if you truly commit right now, by the time 2026 arrives, they won't recognize you.